It's easy, young Frank Sinatra. My car self-parks while I drink the vodka. My weed come from space, you could taste the stardust. I will always win is my favorite mantra. You should never play with monsters. You'll end up in a lake or a basement locker. What's on my plate? Steak and eggs and lobsters. What's on this plate? Some amazing posters. So much food on my chinny chin chin. They get in a bad mood when I'm winning win-win. Sad news for you kitty kids thinking that you can't lose. Now it's really grim thinking that you're Sway Lee but you're really Slim Jim, or Jay-Z but you're really his kids. You're not a boss, I designed the business. You can suck my, I replied to bitches. And when you see the size of this stick, it's scientific, not science fiction. It can touch the clouds, yeah, the sky's the limits. Plus it's good for you like a vitamin is. They all know I'm high, I'm different. Never had to try to fit in. Raised by Family Guy and Simpsons. Wayfair told me buy this infant. Whoa, don't go there. Nose hairs burned down from the coke shared. With a groupie in St. Louis, now we're both staring out the window without blinking, thinking. All these little pills keep on falling on me. Pick them up nice and then call the lobby. We need more Sprite than halal salami. Lay down now, eat my sausage, mommy.
The money, the power, the gold. I've come to devour the fold. Roll with a pack of the wolves. You do not matter the most. All of my enemies hoes. We make them ghosts. Slay him like David with stones.
Get in a spaceship and pew.
Off we go as the Rocky rolls the road. Get rocky, running out of coffee blow. Invite Vans by chance, can you spot me though? Until my soul gets sold, I'll be awfully broke. There's a moral to the story that cannot be told. About the ones on top, how they copy flows. From the rapper that's hot in the spot below. I'll take anybody beef, make a sloppy Joe. Okay, take another look at the menu. Never sold out, but I sell out the venue. Bottom of the pill bottle, tell what I've been through. So every day I wonder if I wanna continue. Bitches on my telephone tell me to send nudes. I can't now, I'm playing Nintendo with 10 dudes. And I'm off at the Benzo. My friend Drew's dad got a stash like Gardner Minshew. Long hair looking like a porn star now. I could probably get a foreign car now just to make him say, wow, Cal really got his shit together. Well, he's a fucking drug addict, but he's rich forever. And it's crazy, his car got crimson leather. He got custom plates, they let him pick the letters. He got a dick implant, the bigger the better. The only girl he can fit in like 6'7", man. Look, I know you listen to every project, never get the concept. Content too complex, too conscious. Converse, context, too much to process. All you do is talk shit, little bitch.
Living in a generation where only comments getting exclamations. Trying to keep my mental patient, I'm a mental patient though. I ain't hesitating, no, wish I would though. Yeah, feeling hurt. I don't know the origin, that be the worst. Let's just keep on pouring, see who feel it first. That's how whiskey and relationships and feelings work. I know how I feel, yeah. That ain't who I am, no. I've been looking back, yeah. Trying to understand, yeah. I wish I could cry, yeah. But y'all made me a man, yeah. So I just wonder why, yeah. I be the way I am, yeah. Therapists say I got trauma, yeah. Managers say I need commas, yeah. I just really think I need solace. Some days wish I ain't make all these promises. I go for drinks every night that I don't want. At what point am I an alcoholic? Say what you all want, but my whole childhood, bitch, I was a target. And I can't call it, yeah. When I was 11, got robbed, now my man's pop. Since then I knew I was alone at the end of the day. Knew it's only me and I couldn't truly count on shit. That's real. Got a girl I'm so in love with, but I'm afraid to be her everything. Guess that's why I always joke about wedding rings, cause I'm afraid I'm unlovable in the long run. Broken clocks are right twice a day, so twice a day I feel present. Looking for love amongst likes and faves. Tell me how I'm supposed to find friendship. I'ma stop giving my 2 cents, no matter what they go with consensus. I just want someone to say I see you and mean it. Is that too intensive? I ain't paid rent to my mind in a long time. I think it's time to go offline. I've been having a hard time. I ain't got no metaphor there, that's just real shit. Saying right things at the wrong time. At least I wanna be better than I was. I used to think like I better be discussed. Now I want just be, I ain't settling for buzz. I know how I feel, that ain't who I am. No, I've been looking back, yeah. Trying to understand, yeah. I wish I could cry, but y'all made me a man, yeah. So I just wonder why I be the way I am, yeah. Therapists say I got trauma, managers say I need commas. I just really think I need solace. Some days wish I ain't make all these promises. I go for drinks every night that I don't want. At what point am I an alcoholic? Say what you all want, but my whole childhood, bitch, I was a target, and I can't call it.
I am on fire, you can't put me out cause I live in here. This a fatality finisher. All of you new niggas similar. Ice in my chain, you a prisoner. I got a bank full of integers. I'm Michael Phelps in the party of women here. Jumping that pussy with swimming gear. She got them curves on her body like signatures. I might just stand on the dotted line. I close my eyes when I'm tired at night, but then open them right up, I gotta grind. Shitting on niggas is party time. Dumb niggas not talking politics. Broke niggas not talking wild shit. I know it, she know it, we know it. Everybody know you ain't got that shit. Right when you get it, I repo. Ay, I got a brick on me, Devo. Ay, my life a movie, no Vivo. Hey, they still watch through the people. My chopper got a Mandingo. My niggas crazy get CeeLo. Yo niggas lazy, they ain't working. Yo bitches basic, they ain't worth it. I get 100K and twerk it. I created D-Wave and surf it. I with my wrist to my hand hurting. Cook this shit up to the pan burning. I might pull up in a lamb skirting. Flow tighter than a damn version. Fuck rap, no turban. Dissect dialect, I'm a surgeon. I detect you a rat, I'm allergic. Big cake, that's a full course and a dessert. Big racks under Pamela Anderson shirt. I'm in the gym like Steph Curry during the dirt. Niggas missing so much, need an Amber Alert. Oh God, I got a bank full of integers. I'm Michael Phelps in the party of women here. Jumping that pussy with swimming gear. She got them curves on her body like signatures. I might just stand on the dotted line. I close my eyes when I'm tired at night, but then open them right up, I gotta grind. Shitting on niggas is party time. Dumb niggas not talking politics. Broke niggas not talking wild shit. I know it, she know it, we know it. Everybody know you ain't got that shit. Right when you get it, I repo. Ay, I got a brick on me, Devo. Ay, my life a movie, no Vivo. Ay, ice on my neck, so I be cold. Ay, I see my wrist be on Frio. Ay, I see my check be on zeros. Ay, I see the flow in your people. Ay, I see everything but Evo. Ay, I play the game with the Chicos. Ay, I still eat ramen and Cheetos. Ay, I still be hating the Mingo. Ay, only the real hear the lingo. Ay, I got some habits I gotta break. They say the system's a revolving door, steady trapping niggas that's not awake. Jumping invested in private slaves. I got some habits I gotta break. I quit my job and start working on me. Told my family I'm moving out of state. Those are the chances you gotta take. That's the foundation you gotta lay. I looked for guidance in people and ended up guiding the people that went astray. That's the position I gotta play. I got a bank full of integers. I'm Michael Phelps in the party of women here. Jumping that pussy with swimming gear. She got them curves on her body like signatures. I might just stand on the dotted line. I close my eyes when I'm tired at night, but then open them right up, I gotta grind. Shitting on niggas is party time. Dumb niggas not talking politics. Broke niggas not talking wild shit. I know it, she know it, we know it. Everybody know you ain't got that shit. Right when you get it, I repo. Ay, I got a brick on me, Devo. Ay, my life a movie, no Vivo. Ay, ice on my neck, so I be cold. Ay, I see my wrist be on Frio. Ay, I see my check be on zeros. Ay, I see the flow in your people. Ay, I see everything but Evo. Ay, ice on my neck, so I be cold. Ay, I see my wrist be on Frio. Ay, I see my check be on zeros. Ay, I see the flow in your people. Ay.